Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are planning to buy a hand blender and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. Hand blender is very useful and must have appliance for carrying out everyday kitchen tasks with ease. So here's the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best hand blenders in India. All these brands of hand blender available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.